After the victory over Samartex, Baba Sports Stadium, 10 games, Kumasi Asante Kotoko having the second win in 10 games now. Coach Prosper Ogum elevate a strong and a touching message to Asante Kotoko supporters. I send the message to Kotoko supporters. Na I say, you may be iron but Ogum now and say what he say a brand new resource name mano. Mzena supporters ni bi ejina ne kon so papa ene supporters no ena ede ne boama na omobo na baso se Kotoko no sa obo na obo ni ya uwini a we are here for you but win no so etore bia nye de bia na beba but sa win ne taba na etore bia lose ba ku bi ba supporters de ombeti ase but ade a na eha adwen pa na ye say na tembia lose nkoa na was send a touching message to Asante Kotoko supporters message na mia okol postino I think Twitter yes na Ogum ko posti sa message we me kan ye nam say wow Ogum a club no philosophy na say well and well pan na player a friend no Minok Morrison and now man of the match for Kumasi Asante Kotoko against Samartex and now onya the natural position no a boy yes apparently games are you so no say you tell you so no on a wing play on chen but now they now operate in the middle according to information I say can say on the or say hono no timi ebobo ni yentie Ogum nsema or the koto Twitter no or send a message to Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters. Also say, we are grateful to our supporters for your support today. Sorry for causing you a lot of pain and letting you down along the line, but you are the same people who can bring us up. On behalf of the technical team, playing body and the IMSC, we say thank you. None can be compared to you. Let's just say Ogum nsema otroma Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters no say obia ni ho a yebetime de na toto supporters of Kumasi Asante Kotoko club no and the post match no so nsema odi tu dwa no let's just say ne nsema wo kanyina utimi say oka untimi ni supporters nim frame or say when we were playing when we were coming for the game when we were coming we came, we actually thought the fans would boo us, but when we came, the reception was very positive and excellent. They sang from the blast of the whistle to the end, and that is the spirit of Asante Kotoko. Or patches say, or more banonim say, and who never to us, but supporters never tell me, Chiamo Munya victory. Crop,